Alright, hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is Eric. Welcome to the channel. If you find anything you like here, do me a favor, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. It's greatly appreciated. But let's get to what you want to watch this video. I'll make it short and sweet. What I am going to do is I'm going to show you the free version of Tradingview and 3 settings I use when I'm kind of in a funk. I can't find anything. I use these 3. I think I've used similar searches, but this will just be 3 indicators that I use the free Tradingview screener, and let's hop to it. So if you're new to Tradingview, you'll just go up here to products here, and you'll go down to screeners, and we'll just go over and click stocks. So once we're up here, as you can see, we got 14,170, which is way too many stocks for me to look through. So I'm going to start off easy here. I'm going to click here. I'm going to go down to technicals, and I'm going to select moving average, convergence, divergence. Most people call it MACD. I'm just going to click on that. Just click add filter. Now from there you got to go back up. We're going to make some changings, and I'm just going to select this one, level crosses up signal, and that gives me down to 514. You can look through this, but you know that's way too many for me. So this is where it's going to really narrow it down. So then I'm just going to hit this little plus and add another one. I'm going to go down here to technicals again and click on, and then I'm going to go down to and find RSI, just a simple RSI. That's not the name of it. It's just going to be relative strength index. Most people refer to this as RSI, so I'm just going to click on that. Hit add filter like I did on the MACD, and then I'm going to go back and click on it. And I'm going to go to 40 and below, because usually 30 and below will knock too many out. We'll try it. 30 and below is probably going to knock too many out. Yeah, it's 6. That may work, but I'll go to 40 and below. I'm looking for, because I want to find stocks that are oversold. And here we go, we're down to 41, which is pretty good. If 41 is too many stocks for you to look for, if you don't have a lot of time, one more setting here for you. I'll hit the plus sign. We'll go into market data and just go up here to average volume. And we're going to go to 30-day range. We're going to hit add filter here. And then we'll just simply go back here. Manual setup, and we're going to go to 750,000, not 750. We're not looking for penny stocks. We're looking for stocks that we have people buying a lot of, so that we can, if we can get rid of it quick, if we have to get rid of it quickly, because it's you know, we're either getting uncomfortable with the trade because it's losing too much percentage wise, if we've got a stop loss, and you know, we just want to get rid of it. Stocks that have high volume, it will be easier to get rid of. So we hit apply there, and voila, we have 8. Let's see how we did quickly. We got this XYL. Let's click on that. If you're watching this might be okay. So we'll go to full chart here, and it gives us our full chart here. This has been going down. It's dropped below the 200. The MACD, it's just turning red. So this would be one, you know, personally I wouldn't buy into it yet, but it looks like it's going to be swinging upwards. It could possibly be swinging upwards, so it's something that you would want to possibly add to your watch list ticket. You know, it's taking a big, it looks like it's gone down, up, down, up, down. Can it make it back up? It's one to add to your watch list. We'll go back and try to find one more. Let's see. We got Estee Lauder, the $6 stock. I'll click on this and see what's going on. I don't like that off the bat. We'll just try one more. then I'll let you go here. Here's another one. Here's Xerox. Let me take a look at it. Xerox is, not to really give you advice, but I maybe stay away from Xerox, as you can see, just because this 200-day is really not looking good. But we did find that one. XYL could add to our list and possibly look at it from a 4-day. Like I said, if you don't really see, this is another hint. You could, if you don't see it on the, if you don't see something on the 1 day, always, just change it to 4 hours, see what we got going on here. Still, we're looking a little better. But just another hint, if you don't see it on what's happening on your chart with the 1 day, put it a little bit quicker on the 4 hour and see if the chart moves towards your favor. But I think I'm going to end the video here because it's running a little bit late for me, or for people that want to watch. People got busy things to do. But again, thank you for watching. I hope we got some value out of this. If you did, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. It's greatly appreciated. Other than that, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next trade.